For USB models, you're going to want to insert the power cord into the power strip. For standard models, the cord's already attached to the power strip, so that's not needed. Go ahead and pop out the strain relief. It will have an opening here, and insert it onto the power cord on the outside of the spine. Run it along the cord, keep that cord inside the spine, and pop that strain relief back in. You'll notice as well both sides of the spine have a strain relief, so it's up to you which side you want to run the cord through. So our next step is going to be installing the cord wrap itself. Now, if you are using a roller or a stand, you'll want to make sure that the cord and the strain relief are mounted on the right-hand side of the tower itself. So the materials you'll need for this that come with the stand and the roller are your J-hooks, a pair of bolts, and a pair of nuts. What we first want to do here is pry out these tabs that are mounted in the spine. Just using a flathead screwdriver to pull it out ever so slightly. What that does is it grabs the back side of the J-hook to keep it from rotating once it's mounted into the spine. So for the first J-hook up top, you go ahead and put the screw through the J-hook. And again, that tab's going to help keep that J-hook from rotating. So on the back side, you'll just tighten it down with a nut. We'll repeat the same process with the second J-hook. Again, you'll want to rotate it upside down though. Put the nut through the J-hook, insert to the spine, tighten it down with a nut. Now we have our J-hooks installed, it's time to wrap up the cord. And from here we can roll it on out. We hope you find these tips and instructions helpful as you implement your towers into your classrooms. Included with each tower is also a copy of our master installation guide. That, along with videos and support, are all available on our website.